Hello, 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 wonderful people. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to make a rose gold trinket jar. Feel free to leave comments, like if you enjoyed, and subscribe to see more. I mixed 4 ounces of part A and 4 ounces of part B, stirred until it was clear, added my rose gold mica powder, stirred and make sure that there was no clumps, and then I added 2 sheets of rose gold foil sheets. They come in about a 2x2, and I got those from Temu. You can get it at either a 100 pack or a 200 pack. I am patting the sides to ensure that there are no air bubbles. Now it's time to fill in the lid. Now that the lid is complete, I'm going to pour the rest into the jar base. I'm using a popsicle stick to go around the brim to remove any air bubbles and to ensure that the resin goes where it's supposed to go. I am now doing the same process for the base of the jar, ensuring that there are no air bubbles and that the resin is all filled in. I waited about a week to demold to be on the safe side. This one was a struggle to get out, but they say that if you mix some dish soap and water, put it in a little spray bottle and spray on the inside, it should help you demold easier. I'm loving the details that this mold provides. And here is the finished product. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.